Several lawmakers voiced disappointment following the Supreme Court's decision to uphold its ruling declaring the impeachment articles against Vice President Sara Duterte unconstitutional. Mobile journalist Amy Atienza with the report.
Various lawmakers expressed their disappointment over the Supreme Court's decision on Thursday that it will sustain its initial ruling, calling the impeachment articles against Vice President Sara Duterte as unconstitutional. The SC denied the motion for reconsideration of the lower chamber due to quote-unquote factual errors. ACT Teachers Party List Representative Antonio Tino expressed this dismay over the announcement.
Well, nadismaya tayo sa naging decision ng Supreme Court. Ibig sabihin nito, magiging mas mahirap lalo ang pag-impeach sa mga pinakamataas na opisyal.
But the fight continues. Tino said that filing another impeachment complaint against the Vice President is already considered, which may only happen starting February 6 after the one-year bar rule.
Gayunpaman ay tuloy pa rin ang pag-file muli ng impeachment complaint laban sa Vice President kaugnay sa pagwaldas ng 612.5 million na confidential fund. Hindi po magbabago yan. Sinusulong po natin ang panawagan ng taong bayan, lahat ng sangkot dapat managot. Magsimula tayo sa pinakatuktok sa Presidente at sa Vice Presidente.
Mamamayang Liberal Party List Representative Laila De Lima also pointed out that the SC ruling rests on technicality. In a post through X, she said, quote, wala pa ring nalinis na pangalan. On the other hand, House Speaker Bogie D respected the decision of the Supreme Court. Through a statement, D considered the vigilance involved in the process of impeachment, especially to a high-rank official. South Cotabato Representative Ferdinand Hernandez likewise said that the lower chamber is focused on performing its constitutional mandate and reaffirmed their commitment to upholding democratic principles, institutional respect, and the rule of law. Kapatid Amy Atienza, we are One News.